So let's move on to single premium whole life.
Yeah, now single premium whole life is, I've always been a fan of this from when I was in my 20s when Metropolitan first introduced it. This is an excellent place for people that want like a CD alternative. And don't really, don't anticipate on needing the money. Now let's look at why I say this. Again, I used a 65-year-old, relatively in good health, a non-tobacco user, puts $100,000 in a single premium whole life, buys them instamatically $166,362 worth of death benefit, okay? Right off the bat. But what I like about this product, let's look even on the guaranteed side, okay? You put $100,000 in, by year 4, you've recouped your money. If you wanted to cash the policy in at the end of year 4, you can take back all your money on a guaranteed basis. If you go on over to the illustrative basis, based on performance, at the end of year 3, you'd have $102,000, $398. In the meantime, you're insured for $168, and that continues to increase as you see as the right-hand column. 168, 171, 173 continues to go up. So let's just look at, let's just take this person and say in 15 years. So in 15 years, they're 80 years old. Let's say they wanted to cash out. They have $126,000 guaranteed. The guaranteed minimum death benefit's $166. The total cash value is $158,000. At the end of 15 years, they've picked up $58,000 if they want to cash out. The death benefit's $207,000 tax-free.
Okay, so let me ask you now, if they take the cash value, do they lose the death benefit?
Yes.
Okay, so that's it.
Right.
They're taking the cash,
right.
But if they keep it in, that's what the
right.
death.
And that's why I said it's a good alternative. Like say somebody's teeter-tottering with saying, hey, I might like the insurance, but I might need the money. Well, when you look at CD rates, and you just look what I told you. In fact, I could do an internal rate of return on here. I didn't do it because I don't want to get the viewers all, but if I was at their home, I could do an internal rate of return showing what is the actual rate of return on this,
yeah.
Inside the policy versus cash value versus death benefit. You'll be very impressed.